Hello everyone, welcome back to my GK Health Passport. Today we're talking about one of the most caring and compassionate professions in the world, nursing. But let's be honest, a person's character shines through in their work, and nurses, my friends, they're a special breed. Instead, we're going on a light-hearted journey exploring why marrying a nurse could be one of the best decisions you ever make. Think of it as a fun exploration of the amazing qualities these everyday heroes bring to the table, beyond the stethoscope and scrubs. So if you're single, attached, or just curious about the amazing benefits of having a nurse in your life, buckle up. This one's for you. Nurses are, by definition, caregivers. Day in and day out, they navigate the world of healthcare, tending to the physical and emotional needs of their patients. But this inherent ability to care transcends the hospital walls. Imagine having a partner who not only knows how to take your temperature, but can also sense when you're feeling under the weather emotionally. That's the beauty of a nurse's soul. They're hardwired for empathy and compassion. Let's face it, nurses don't have it easy. They work long, demanding hours, often under immense pressure. They face challenging situations head-on, dealing with everything from minor scrapes to life-or-death emergencies. Now imagine bringing that kind of work ethic home. A nurse's resilience isn't just limited to the hospital, it spills over into every aspect of their lives. Marrying a nurse means having a partner who's not afraid to roll up their sleeves and tackle life's challenges alongside you. Think about it. Nurses are constantly on their toes, assessing situations, making critical decisions, and finding solutions on the fly. Their minds are wired to think critically, analyze information, and come up with creative solutions, often under pressure. From navigating a flat tire to diffusing a heated argument, nurses are masters of problem solving. Marrying a nurse means having a partner who can navigate life's curveballs with a cool head and a plan of action. Have you ever noticed the incredible patience nurses possess? They deal with people from all walks of life, each with their own unique needs and, let's be honest, quirks. They listen attentively, offer comfort, and provide care with unwavering empathy. This ability to understand and connect with others on a deeper level is a cornerstone of a nurse's character. In a marriage, this translates to a partner who's an incredible listener, someone who can offer a shoulder to cry on and a safe space to share your vulnerabilities. They understand the power of empathy and use it to build strong, supportive relationships. Okay, let's be practical for a moment. Nursing is a stable and rewarding profession. Nurses are always in demand, and their skills are valued worldwide. This means financial security, which, let's be honest, is a huge weight off anyone's shoulders. Marrying a nurse means having a partner who understands the value of hard work and financial stability. Nurses are the ultimate time management gurus. They juggle demanding schedules, rotating shifts, and a myriad of responsibilities, all while maintaining their sanity. Well, most of the time. They're masters of prioritization, organization, and making every minute count. Now, imagine that level of time management prowess in your personal life. Marrying a nurse means having a partner who understands the value of time and knows how to make the most of it. Despite the challenges of their profession, nurses have an incredible zest for life. They see the fragility of it every day, which makes them appreciate the good times even more. They find joy in the simple things, embrace adventure, and bring a contagious positivity to those around them. This passion extends beyond their work, infusing their relationships with excitement, spontaneity, and a deep appreciation for life's journey. Marrying a nurse means having a partner who injects life into everything they do. So, there you have it. 7 amazing reasons why marrying a nurse could be one of the best decisions of your life. They're caring, hardworking, and bring so much value to a relationship. If you agree, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my GK Health Passport for more interesting videos. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.